calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold. Feel it draw you in, watch the moment unfold. Spark a dream that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new tomorrow. Every step we take brings a new hope, a new day. Every choice we make helps us find our own way. Every wish finally poured into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open.
Ready? And let's go.
It's just beginning. Feel your heartbeat. Reach out and find evening star is shining bright, so make a wish and hold on tight. There's magic in the air tonight.
I never noticed that.
Anything can happen.
beautiful of all.
The castle's looking a little rough, guys.
What do you mean?
It's all burned down.
Real?
Look inside yourself. You are more than what you have become. Remember who you are.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's would be waiting for me,
where the crowds would cheer when they see my face.
and a voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be."
And so our journey comes to an end, but yours continues on. Grab hold of your dreams and make them come true. For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go, let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find yours happily ever after.
The battles, the stories, the losses, and all of the glory.
We're changed by the way we live every day.
See her? Look, she's ready to go.